Hi my dear students, myself Sachin. I am continuing the topic that is module 4 from the your concrete technology subject module 4 mixed design. What do you mean by mixed design? In the module 4 complete design of the concrete, that is nothing but an hardened concrete. For example, we have taken as a M10, M20, M35, M30. For M10, 1 is to 3 is to 6. This will be our mixed design proportions. M indicates mix, 10 is indicates an compressive strength of the concrete. Similarly, for M20, 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. Similarly, M30. So, for this particular mixed design, an example is illustrated in the code of IS 10262. So, this one is an IS 10262 2009. This one is the IS 10262 code. So first thing, a concrete mix proportions and guidelines. The subject name is code name is concrete mix proportion and guidelines. This is completely designed by the Indian Standard Code of Practice, and the name is IS 10262 2009. For particular design, there is a minimum requirement of data like grade designation, type of cement. Before, for example, I am doing a mixed design for M20 grade of concrete. For this M grade of concrete, grade designation for M40, we need a minimum information: type of cement, maximum nominal size of aggregate, minimum cement content, maximum water content, workability, exposure conditions, maximum temperature of the concrete, like this. So grade designation, what do you mean by grade designation? What I already told, types of the grades, type of the cement, which type of the cement you have taken, whether OPC or PPC or rapid hardening cement. This will be comes under a OPC or PPC, and grade of the cement. Next, maximum nominal size of the aggregate. What is the maximum nominal size of the aggregate? 20 mm. Why it is 20 mm? If you have taken more than 20 mm, what will be the conditions? If you have taken less than the 20 mm, what will be the conditions? Next, maximum water cement ratio. What is the maximum water cement ratio? For example, 0.6. Why we need to take a 0.6? What is the reason behind this 0.6? This all comes under the design. Next, workability. What do you mean by workability? Workability is nothing but easy to mix of a concrete from flowing, transportation, compaction, and the finishing stage. Next, exposure site condition. This is again one more code, that is IS 456. What do you mean by exposure conditions? Means if it is a slab, or if it is a column, or if it is a beam, which type of the material you have taken, which type of the concrete is placing. So these all comes under the IS 456 exposure site conditions. Next, maximum temperature of the concrete at the time of placing. Next, method of transportation. Which type of the transportation, pumping or other short treating or other any type of the different materials. Next, type of the aggregates, maximum cement content. These are the minimum requirement. Now next one, compressive strength. So I am assuming I am designing for M40. 40 will be our compressive strength, 40 Newton per mm square. So F dash CK, target mean compressive strength at 28 days. At 28 days, target mean compressive strength. So FCK will be the characteristic compressive strength. So this characteristic compressive strength FCK plus 1.65 into S. So this 1.65 is a common, and S is nothing but a standard deviation. So this standard deviation value will be in terms of Newton per mm square. This should be taken from the table. So here there is a table for standard deviation table. For M10 standard deviation is 3.5, M15 3.5. Again for M20 and 25 standard deviation value is 4, and for M30 to 55, standard deviation value is 5. So depend on the grade of the cement, grade of the concrete, the standard deviation value should be taken. Next, selection of the water cement ratio. Keep that in mind. For every 25 mm slump, there should be a increase in 5 every 25 mm slump, increase in 3% of water quantity. Likewise, in the problem you can let you know how much type of the water should be added to the concrete. Next one, maximum water content. Assume we are taken as a 20 mm aggregates. So here I should take a maximum water level is 186 kg of the water content. Next, volume of the coarse aggregate. Volume of the coarse aggregate per unit volume, total aggregate for a different zones for a fine aggregates. Here we have classified as to 4 categories: zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, and the nominal maximum size of the aggregate. Usually maximum size of the aggregate will be restricted to 20 mm. Next, calculation of cementitious materials. After with the help of W by C is equals to 0.5. Example, we know the value of cement value, so W is equals to 0.5 into cement. You can find out the value of water as well as cement. Next, estimated coarse aggregate proportions, because for M40 I have already told this will be the like this: a cement is to sand is to M10, 1 is to 3 is to 6. So proportion of the cement, proportion of the sand, proportion of the coarse aggregate. Let us start up with the illustrative example 1. So here I have taken an example illustrating the mixed design for a concrete M40 grade is given. In the examination also they should mention the grade of the concrete. After that grade of the concrete, these are the minimum essential required or minimum data required for the mixed design. So what do you mean by stipulations for the proportioning? First one, grade of the grade designation. Grade designation is M40. Okay, let us say we'll take it as an M40 grade designation. Means nothing but our compressive strength, target compressive strength should be 40 Newton per mm square after 28 days. So minimum compressive strength of the concrete should be 40 Newton per mm square after 28 days. Next, type of the cement, OPC 43 grade. Type of the cement is OPC 43 grade and confining the IS code of IS 8112. This is only reference for cement. IS 456 for site conditions, which is used in the design. IS 10262 mixed design. IS 8112 for size of aggregate. Next, minimum cement content is nothing but 20 kg per metric cube. Maximum nominal size of the aggregate is 20 mm, and the maximum water to cement ratio is W by C is equals to 0.45. So here the workability, nothing but slump value is taken as a 100. These are all the given data or given conditions, and the exposure site condition should be severe. Method of the concrete placing is pumping, and degree of supervision is good, and type of the aggregate is nothing but a crushed angular aggregates, and maximum cement content 450 kg per metric cube. Chemical admixture type is super plasticizer. Next, test data for materials. These are the given data, right? For here they have given only type of the cement and the type of the aggregates and the sizes of the aggregates and the type pumping conditions and the density of the minimum cement content, size of the grids. Here these are the test results, nothing but test data for the materials which has to be used for the mixed design. Here we have taken as a M40 grade concrete, right? For M20 grade of concrete, these are the similar materials are used, and these cement or any materials are before tested because of the properties with varying or varying compressive strength are different. For the mixed design, these are the essential. So first test result for the material cement used is 43 grade, that is conforming. Next, specific gravity of the cement. In the previous test, this result was not given. So specific gravity of the cement is 3.15. Next, chemical admixture super plasticizer conforming IS 19103. So what do you mean by super plasticizer? For chemical admixture, there are two types of the categories. One is a accelerators and one is a retarders. Accelerators accelerates the reaction, retards the reaction. Nothing but reaction time increases, reaction time decreases. These are two are depending on the site conditions. If it is a RMC, there should be a lag in the setting of time. If we are needing a urgent placing of concrete, in such cases there should be a separate specifications for usage of chemical admixtures. Next, specific gravity of the coarse aggregate is 2.74 and fine aggregate is 2.74. Coarse aggregate is also 2.74 and fine aggregate is also 2.74. Next, water absorption. Water absorption is 0.5% for coarse aggregate, 1% for fine aggregate. Obviously, for coarse aggregate, lesser water absorption. For fine aggregate, higher the water absorption percent. This one is the half of the fine aggregate. These are the data already given in the examination. Also, they should give these datas. So next, free surface moisture. Coarse aggregate, here they have taken a nil. Observed moisture also nil. Fine aggregates also nil. Next, sieve analysis. For sieve analysis, coarse aggregate, sieve site 10T, 10, 4.7 and 2.36. Analysis of the coarse aggregates fraction 1, 2 and the percentage of different fraction 1, 2 and combined. So these are taken from the confirming table number 2 IS 383. Only in the examination they permits IS 10262. So these code values are not so much important compared to 10262, or they may permits IS 456 2000 and IS 106 2000. So from here onwards we are designing the mixed proportion. So first step, what is our first step? Target strength for a mixed proportioning. Here the formula is F dash Ck is equals to Fck plus 1.65 into S. So F dash Ck, target average compressive strength for 28 days. Target average compressive strength for 28 days. So this will be F dash Ck. Fck, characteristic compressive strength. So this is already given 40 and the standard deviation value is S.